In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an account in Zoom. If you use Zoom for different purposes like work, school, or personal meetings, adding another account can help you switch between them more easily without signing out every time. The process is very simple and Zoom guides you through most of it on screen. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can complete it smoothly. To begin, open Zoom on your device and make sure you're on the main screen of the app. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner and find your profile icon. This is the area that gives you access to account-related settings and options. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the menu. After the menu appears, look for the option that says Add Account or Switch Account. In some versions of Zoom, this wording may appear slightly different, but it should still be clearly related to managing multiple accounts. Click on Add Account or Switch Account to move to the next step. Once you do that, you'll see the option to add an account. Click on Add Account to continue. This tells Zoom that you want to connect another account to the app so you can access it more conveniently in the future. From here, Zoom will display the on-screen prompts needed to finish the setup. Follow each prompt carefully. Depending on your device or Zoom version, you may be asked to sign in, confirm account details, or complete a verification step. Just read each screen closely and continue through the process until Zoom confirms that the account has been added. A helpful tip here is to take your time when reading the prompts, especially if you're adding an account for a different organization or workspace. If Zoom asks you to choose between account types or sign-in methods, make sure you select the one that matches the account that you want to add. That can help prevent login issues later. Once the process is complete, you should be able to switch between accounts easily from the same profile area that you opened earlier. This can save time and make managing multiple Zoom accounts much more convenient, and that is it. That's how to add an account in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and make sure to check out our other tutorials.